Welcome to SecureMeLink, where we support you in providing care with confidence. SecureMeLink is a secure way to communicate informative and timely alerts during a crisis. Our system allows clinicians, physicians, mental health care workers, home-based workers, or probation officers quickly alert administrative or security personnel during potential emergencies. As a psychiatrist, I can tell you, in an emergency or when safety is a concern, seconds absolutely matter. It is important that clinicians and your staff feel safe delivering care. The concept of SecureMeLink was born out of a potentially unsafe patient encounter that I experienced a number of years ago. In that situation, I was in a position where I did not have access to a panic button and was completely alone and isolated in my office. In that moment, I wished that I had a way to communicate to someone outside of my office that I was in need of support. However, that situation also helped me to realize that there are instances when a panic button is required, but there are many more instances when a clinician or individual just needs additional assistance, maybe having someone knock on the door or call your phone. SecureMeLink provides that flexibility, safety, and peace of mind. Unfortunately, violence against healthcare workers is on the rise. In the USA, about 70 to 74% of assaults occur in the healthcare setting. In just 1 year, 50% of nurses were verbally assaulted in the workplace, 11% experienced physical violence, and 4% were threatened with a weapon. SecureMeLink provides numerous safety options not currently available on the market. Medical and mental health professionals realize that not every challenging encounter is a crisis, but every clinician benefits from having access to support. SecureMeLink provides GPS location, a tailored crisis response, is cost-effective, provides emergency broadcast access, and can be used both in the office or in the field. Administrative users will be provided with a tablet that will be placed in the administrative desk or main central office location. Companies can have multiple administrative units based on the level of the subscription package. Administrative users can be in the same office or different locations. Internet connectivity, valid credentials, and a device are all that are needed to access the administrative user panel. The administrative panel allows admin users to view all valid users in live sessions. When a user sends a request, that user on the admin panel changes color, continuously chimes, and moves to the top of the admin queue. This request remains active until acknowledged by the administrator. When the administrator clicks on the user detail will appear, including the location, phone number, emergency contact, and type of assistance requested. The user location can also be verified by clicking View Location. If a user sends an emergency request, the administrative console alarms loudly, the screen blinks red, and the user moves to the top of the queue. To resolve the emergency, the administrator will need to detail out the resolution and confirm that the emergency is resolved. When the administrator selects View Location, the tablet engages Google Maps and GPS function in the mobile device to show current location. This feature can be used without an emergency, and admin can view a user's location randomly. The administrator has the capability to send emergency messages to all connected user devices. This is an effective and efficient way to send an emergency alert at the same time to everyone. This would be useful, for example, in active shooter situations. For the field user, every user must go through two-factor authentication to log in. Privacy and patient safety is of the utmost importance. When a field user selects emergency, essentially the equivalent of a panic button, the administrative tablet is alerted, even if the user is not logged in to an active session. The emergency alert sends a message to administration and, if selected, will call 911 from the user's phone. A user profile is required on sign up and is important for contact information details. The profile allows the user to upload a photo or snapshot directly from their mobile device camera. In the case of an emergency, administrative users can forward the picture of the clinician to the authorities if they need assistance in identifying who made the request. When a user selects enter a session, they are presented with the option of choosing in the office or home, with home meaning in the field or in a patient's home or location. If home is selected, the user is prompted to fill out the destination information. Once logged in, the user can then select from the options of call my phone or emergency. When a user is in the office, they have the option of call my phone or emergency, but the additional option of knock on my door is also presented. We offer web management and user monitoring. Website management is continuously being updated and new features are being added on an ongoing basis. Support from this portal can address any user issue, concern, other than device failures. We also have a back-end web portal that can provide support to all administrators and users remotely. This is a list of our cost and subscription. We offer numerous levels, starting with code yellow for 1 to 49 users, code orange with 50 to 149 users, code blue, 150 to 499 users, or code green, unlimited. Compared to some of our competitors' pricing, their pricing actually increases as the users increase, while SecureMeLink, our monthly prices decrease as the amount of user numbers increase. If you have any questions, please feel free to email or contact us. We hope that you would utilize SecureMeLink to both keep your staff, clinicians, and patients safe. Thank you.